let's jump on to understanding the trading systems. So before we do that, let's kind of quickly talk about a few trading terms. Of course, it's the same trading terms which we spoke even in trend trading, but just to kind of reiterate, for those of you who kind of don't remember, just a quick recap. A long trade, you know what a long trade is: buying first and selling later. Short trade, opposite of that, selling first and buying later. Stop loss. Stop loss is when the trade is not going in your favor and you're incurring loss, stopping that loss. That is stop loss. Then finally target. Target is nothing but where you want to end that trade and take the money, book your profits. That is target. Then what is BP? Break-even point, which means the trade you will exit when there is no profit, no loss. And finally, in the money. In the money means if the trade is gone in your favor and you're starting to make profits, that means you're in the money, and that's called as the trade is profitable. It's already become profitable and it is already showing you some profits. Of course, you have not booked the profits yet. It is only showing you it's unrealized profit still. That is in the money. So this is the few trading terms. Hope you kind of always remember this, and it becomes easy as we kind of have a conversation. With that, let's kind of jump on to the first kind of trading system, which is intraday trading system. So if you are all ready and excited to kind of understand the intraday trading system, type in the comment ready for intraday. Type in the comment ready for intraday. Awesome. Let us kind of jump on here. So the first one is double odds. Yes, the double odds which we learned in trend following. Now that was in trend following where we did it in a higher time frame. Now the same system you can do in a lower time frame, which is for, let us see what is the time frame. First of all, what are the system ingredients? Again, recap. Technical chart, candlesticks, 13 period simple moving average, 34 period simple moving average, and then trading time frame in here is 60 minutes, which means 1 hour. 1 hour trading time frame. In trend following, we were doing it on daily time frame. Here we have gone below, and you will trade this in 1 hour trading time frame. Just do 1 hour. Don't go below that. 1 hour. This system works pretty good. With 1 hour, applying the system and trading will kind of consistently generate. But here it is an intraday trading system, 1 hour, which you can convert into BTST or STBT. If you're holding the positions, you will start with at the start of the day when the things come, and you will perpetually continue and even carry forward the position. But you will be doing it in 1 hour time frame. It is like a shorter time frame trend following. There can be instance if you have made reasonable amount of profits, you may want to exit at the end of the day. Otherwise, you can convert that into a positional trade or convert it into overnight carry forward position and then go with that until the trade goes on. And if you want to reverse it and perpetually keep doing that. So it works extremely well on 1 day time frame, but just that you got to be in front of the screen to manage that quite often. So that's the only thing. So if you're an intraday trader and if you want to be intraday trader, this works brilliantly. So how is the system? Once again, the execution rules, right? Buy above the high of the crossing candle high if the price crosses 34 moving average. Sell below the low of the breaking candle if the price breaks the 34 moving low for the short trade. Exit long below the low of the breaking candle if the price breaks 34 moving average, and opposite is for short trade. Re-entry, if the price touches 13 moving average and goes back up for long, you can take a long trade provided SMA 13 is greater than SMA 34, and the reverse, if it touches 13 and tends to go back below, you can add to the quantity short or again take a entry once again, provided this 13 moving average is below the 34 moving average for short re-entry or adding a position. Risk management rules, pretty simple. Initial stop loss 3% for stocks, 2% for indices, 2.5% for commodities. Based on that, you can kind of trade. Once you are trade in the money, of 3 and 2 and 2.5 respectively, you can move it to break-even point, and after that, you kind of continue with that swing, with that swings of the moving average, wherever once again it comes to 34, you kind of period, a kind of exit. So here you will set this up on a 1 hour time frame. So it's pretty simple. Let me kind of show you in one of the trading platforms. Maybe I'll just randomly pick up some script and kind of show you. I'm just kind of picking up whatever kind of comes up, and then let us kind of look at double horse. So here is the double horse. So here is the 1 hour time frame. 1H stands for, see, 1 hour, right? Of course, you can do it for 1 day. This is what we have learned it in trend following. Now the same thing, if you want to do it on 1 hour, this also kind of pretty much works. Look at here. Here we kind of went short, completely came down, and we got the big trade in 1 hour time frame. Again went long, then again came down. And that way, see a beautiful long trade and completely goes up and comes down, right? It works pretty good on multiple scripts. You have to kind of try it out. I'll open one more script just to kind of show you guys how the setup is. So you know the setup with respect to the studies. You need the moving average 13 and moving average 34. That's all you need. You don't need anything else, and a candlestick chart. We've already described the setup in the trend following. You can kind of revisit that. It's very straightforward, and kind of see here. Long, add to the position, exit. Again long. This was almost a break-even trade, exit. Short, profitable trade. Long, add to the position, beautiful profitable trade. So that way this works pretty good on 1 hour time frame. So you can kind of look at this. I've randomly opened this Bajaj Finance. See here, one long trade. It has gone beautifully, and it's still kind of going on long all the way from 6,199, and the trade is still going on to 6,629. So 600 points, close to 600 points on one single trade, short trade. So that way, this is a perpetual trade. You have to consistently hold on to it. It works on all the majority of the scripts. You can kind of do it on majority of the scripts, what it kind of do. So this is the first system in intraday, which is the double horse, which we already spoken about it. So if you kind of got double horse, and ready to ride the horse, type in the comment, ready to ride. Awesome. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk about the second system in intraday. See you.